Hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shravanthi and I do a lot of skincare, bags, IKEA, very lifestyle, chilled videos. And today's video is going to be a review on Plum's vitamin C range. Plum recently celebrated their birthday and they had like amazing offers. So I got a few products from them. So today I'm going to review all of these for you. This is their vitamin C range. So this is not the entire range. They also have a face wash including in this, but I did not get that one. I actually ordered only Plum vitamin C serum, but these two came free along with a purchase of certain amount. However, I was very glad that I got all of these products. Today I'm here to review all of these as well. So apart from the first step, which is face wash, the second step is toner. This comes in a mist bottle. I also have their cucumber mist, which I absolutely love. So I figured I should try this one. If you can see, the mist is very fine and very good. This has 1.5% of vitamin C and this is a glow boost fragrance free toner. This is a mandarin extract vitamin C. There are different types of vitamin C extracts. I used to use minimalist before, which I absolutely loved, and then I tried Sugandha, which I'm going to review soon, which is not my favorite. How I use this is I spray it on my face and then I tap down whatever is on excess. When I use this, I don't really use a lot of products. It's like you can use all of them together or separately, but I use separately. I'll tell you why. Because I have sensitive skin. They clearly mention on the packaging if we have hypersensitive skin, this is not really recommended. So I have combination skin, which I've recently figured out. I have oily T-zone and the rest of the skin is dry. So what I noticed when I used all of them together is that it was a little bit drying. Otherwise, individually the products will not dry out your skin that easily because they have like really good ingredients in them. But when you use all of them together, it was kind of drying. I really noticed a lot of dryness around my cheek area. So I have been mentioning about my acne journey and my sensitive skin journey on my channel throughout the years. So this is my experience. If you have like hypersensitives or even like sensitive skin, I would not recommend you try all of these together. So the first step is toner, which I use in the morning after my face wash. I use a good amount of mist and I actually settle it down by patting it on my face. The next step is generally vitamin C if you're using them all together, but I don't use it. But I don't use this in the morning. I use this at night, which has been working really great for me. I used to use minimalist as well at night and Sugandha as well at night. So I really like how it works on my skin at night because this is highly concentrated. This is 15% vitamin C. The serum actually will have a lot of active ingredients which will repair your skin. Acne is not my main issue. My main issue is scars that it leave behind, or the hyperpigmentation that I have, and like uneven skin tone, which I feel like vitamin C can help a lot. So I think when I use this at night, it can actually help my skin to have that kind of breathing space throughout the night. It can help it repair. In the morning I usually do makeup when I'm going to work, so I don't want to layer this with makeup and don't have like a lot of space for it to repair. That, at least that's what I feel. I'm not sure if that how it works, but that's how I feel. So I use vitamin C serum at night. You can use a couple of drops on your hand and then rub it on your skin and then apply a moisturizer for it to settle down as well. And the next step is a moisturizer, which I was very thrilled about hearing. This has 3%. This is actually a really good moisturizer, which again I use it in the morning and night. The texture of this moisturizer is really great. You don't need a lot of amount of the moisturizer as well. Because I have oily T-zone, I only concentrate this on the outer words. If you don't want to use this in the morning and prefer using it at night, you can also use a moisturizing sunscreen. which is very important to you. So this is how I use my product. For me to recommend one product out of all this range, I would recommend the vitamin C serum, because that will help you repair all the hyperpigmentation and the uneven skin tone that you might have. If you're a beginner and like very scared of using vitamin C on your skin, you have like a hypersensitive skin and don't want to use a lot of vitamin C, or like just want to try it out, I would recommend the moisturizer, because this is really great. The texture is really great. It gives like nice layer of moisture, and also it will help you like layer the makeup very nicely as well. But it's not like a rule that you have to use all of these products at once, because if it doesn't work, it doesn't really make a lot of sense for you to use all these products together. For me, I use, as I mentioned, I use these two products in the morning and these two at night. So that is how the combination works for me. If it works in a different way, you can always switch and use it according to your skin needs. You can also pair this with another moisturizer, another toner. So overall, I would say all of these products are a really win for me. I got these two products for free, which I'm really grateful for, and I love the vitamin C serum as well. As you can see, I have been using this from over 15 to 20 days, and I have used quite a bit and I really like it. That's all for today's video. If you have used any of these products, share your experience in the comment section down below. I would love to know. And if you have enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.